was born on February 21st, 1998. Currently ages 25 years in 2023. He was born on June 27, 2000. Currently ages 23 years in 2023. He was born on September 24, 1998. Currently ages 25 years in 2023. He was born on September 11, 1999. Currently ages 24 years in 2023. She was born on August 19, 1993. Currently ages 30 years in 2023. She was born on May 30, 1995. Currently ages 28 years in 2023. She was born on October 8, 1988. Currently ages 35 years in 2023. He was born on August 23, 1992. Currently ages 31 years in 2023. He was born on March 1st, 2001. Currently ages 22 years in 2023. He was born on August 26, 1980. Currently ages 43 years in 2023.